Today we are going to make tasty garlic fried chicken. Oh my goodness, it's crispy. It is so good. You definitely want to stick around because we are going to make some of the best chicken. If you love garlic, vampires excluded, you're going to love this recipe. And remember to support us on Patreon. Hi, I'm Chef Don McMillan. We're going to make this chicken so good, okay? And how are we going to do it? With garlic. Look at all this garlic. I sliced up this garlic. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to put it in the cooking oil because I'm going to flavor the oil before I even put the chicken in. All right, here it goes. Whoa, yes. Get it on there. Oh my goodness, that's going to be so good. Yeah, cook up. What'll happen, this garlic is going to crisp up and make some really good little chips. So hey, if you ever cook any fried chicken, maybe you got some great recipes to share, definitely want to subscribe. You also want to tap that button because we like to hear it ring and put some comments in there. I'd be happy to get back to you on the comments, okay? This chicken is really easy, okay? Let me show you. I've got some chicken thighs. I love chicken thighs. I'm going to season them with salt, pepper, and garlic powder, not garlic salt, okay? Garlic powder. I want the full blast of garlic flavor. Let's toss these around, make them happy in here. Okay, come on, get in there, get happy, get happy. Yes, indeed. Okay, looks like I need a little more seasoning on that side. Let's do it again. A little more salt, a little more pepper, and a lot more garlic. And you can see that garlic is just cooking up in the oil. There's going to be a nice little garlic crisp. The flavor of the garlic is going to just impart the oil, make it taste so good. I'm telling you, this is a winner. Okay, flour, all-purpose flour. We want to just go ahead and lightly coat. So you see I seasoned the chicken and not the flour, because I want that full flavor. Let's place it right there in our garlic infused oil. I'm using canola oil. You may use other oil, vegetable oil, if you wish. Turn the fire down a little bit. We're doing about 350 degrees on our hot oil. Okay, last piece. Anything that touches the chicken, remember, either has to be cooked or washed. So all this will be washed, and that will prevent any salmonella from crossing the border. Let's put this in our sink to be washed. All right, let's see if that chicken's ready. Remember, we need 165, okay? And if it's 165 or higher, it is done. And we're going to check a couple of pieces. Let's see where we get. Yeah, it's going up there. Come on. All right, that one's ready. Let's get the next one over here. Okay. Remember, when you put your thermometer in there, you got to go in about 1 inch, okay? That's where you'll get a really good reading. You just can't just tap it with it. Okay, and that one's done. And finally, the last one. And that one's done. Okay, so now I'm going to do a little finishing salt. Look at this. This is finishing salt. A little crisp. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that so nice? Put them on there. And guess what? This is that garlic. That garlic I cooked in the oil. I took it out just before I took out the chicken. It's nice and crispy. Let's put a little finishing salt on there. Look. So how easy. And you can just eat it or serve it with it. Oh man. You're going to want to do this recipe. You may even want to share it. So listen. When you are looking at our channel, we really love to have you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. We also need you to tap our phone, man. Make that bell ring so we can get it in there. And also leave a comment. Love to hear from you. Love to share some information. And please support us on Patreon because we're going to give you exclusive content, early access to our videos. You're going to want to know about that. Behind the scenes, you won't get this anywhere else but on our Patreon. And we're going to do it all without any ads. All right. So, as always, when you're watching our recipes, they're absolutely simple and, believe me, delicious. Well, we are tasting this wonderful chicken, and while we're doing this, a thought came up to us and we said, you know what, let's share with all of those viewers out there. So we want to share with you. I know I can't give you a piece of chicken like that, but we can send you, look, an apron. Andrew, tell them about that.
So these aprons that we wear in all of our videos, we want to give you one. So for every 50 subscribers, we're going to pick one subscriber. Make sure you put a comment that you subscribe. We'll pick it out, contact you, and send you this apron absolutely for free.
Yes, we sure will.
Let's try this chicken.
Well, I got a fork there.
All right.
Let's do it.
Oh man, that's good stuff right there.
Have a piece of
Try
garlic.
this garlic.
Lori's doing the camera, so she's just looking at it right now.
This is really good. The garlic is great, along with the chicken. It's a beautiful color. That
Look at that salt.
sea salt.
Andrew bought this salt. I said, let's use it, you know?
Oh, it's fantastic.
Yeah. So it's like nice finishing salt. It's called what? Salt flakes?
Salt flakes, yeah.
Salt flakes. Check it out. You're going to want to.
Let's try some of this chicken.
Well, there's another piece right there. I'm not stopping you. I know you want the skin on the other side. Yeah. There it is right there.
You guys are going to want to try this recipe.
Yeah.
It's so good. You like it?
Isn't that crunch?
Oh, yeah.
Nice and crunchy. Yep. All right. We're in.
See you at the next video.
We sure will.